Hey guys, it's your girl Queen B. Welcome to another day in my kitchen. Today we'll be making pumpkin rice with fried chicken and of course regular greens, veg. We're washing the chicken and getting ready to cut up our pumpkin. I also want to make some of the green juice with lime, so I'm gonna use the lime juice because I don't have the natural lime, with thyme and ginger. So we've added our dry seasonings, our black pepper, salt, cayenne, all purpose. We're getting it into the chicken. Yeah, I like to use my bare hands. In the meantime, we've added the mint, the lime juice, and the ginger, and I added vinegar, apple cider vinegar. So we've seasoned the pumpkin and we're going to put it to boil now. Meat is seasoned and waiting. Oil is about heated, so we're about to add our chicken to our flour mix in a bag. I'm doing it from a bag and not a container because I want it to be evenly cover the chicken. So we're adding them to the bag. And then just shake it. Shake it and it doesn't stop. Shake it and it doesn't stop. So they're in and we're going to cover it. Now we're putting on our pumpkin for the pumpkin rice. Getting ready for our sauces. Woo. Woo, woo. We're getting ready our sauce now. Some vinegar and sugar. Almost finished frying. Let's see what's happening in the pot. As for our pumpkin, it's coming along. So I am basically mincing up the pumpkin before adding the rice. Then I'm going to add butter, of course, to get the flavor. I was thinking of even putting some coconut milk in there. Let's see how that goes. Ladies and gentlemen, pumpkin rice.